Welcome back to the channel. Getting back on the Altima. I went to the junkyard this morning and picked up all the parts we needed to finish this build off. Well, at least get it 90% done. I know I'm gonna still have some airbags issues to fix, but I got some of that stuff so I can replace it. I picked up. So I went to the junkyard and picked up this core support here. And the front subframe. It looks pretty, but it's actually I just cleaned it and painted it. That's it. And also that bracket goes on there. And then I have a motor mount because this part here, it broke on a car. I don't know how, but I guess from the force from everything, it just broke it. But the bottom part was fine. But this here is completely damaged. I have some other parts in a car. I have the center console and all that stuff that I need to fix the interior, but I'm gonna mess with that later on. But I need to get this subframe done first. Let me show you real quick what I have to do. So the first thing I have to do is unbolt this down pipe. So it's 3 bolts here, it's 2 back there, and then there's the kitty cat. I have to take that down, and also this bracket here, take that off so I can remove everything out the way. Remove this bracket, and that bracket is one damaged. That's why I got the replacement. And then after doing that, it's 2 bolts right here and right here that's holding on the what is that, the power steering rack, I believe. Yeah, that's the power steering rack. And then this bolt and this bolt here is holding on the lower A-arm, and then it's a bolt up here that holds it to the frame of the car. So I have to do the same thing on this side as well, and also I have to take this bolt out here for the side engine mount. Now the engine should stay in place because it's a bracket. It's an engine mount up on top, and also the transmission mount, so I don't have to worry about the engine falling. Now it might rear back just a little bit because of me taking this down, but I don't think much. Oh, I got an oil leak. I must didn't tighten that filter good, or it's just leaking. I'll look at it later. I know that it's not the oil pan for sure. It might just been some leftover oil. But let's get started on that real quick.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is conventional or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's
So I got the cradle done, and also I had put the oil pan on for the transmission. Got that all buttoned up and done. Let me show you guys. So that's the oil pan for the transmission, and that's the engine oil pan that we got all buttoned up there, and that's the cat. So other than that, I think we're good to go. Everything is on there. Watch out, cat. Move. I see that it's another bolt missing here, and that wasn't in there. So but to finish up with the getting the car pretty much done. I did order another AC condenser. Let me show you this one here. I thought, because of the way that it was, I mean, it is like bent to hell, but I thought it was broken, and luckily we was able to recover everything and pull this one out. So I do have another one. It's supposed to be here today, but probably later on tonight, so I probably won't install that yet. The next thing, all I have to do is put coolant and the CVT oil in it, and I think that's would be it. Now I did notice, let me show you guys here so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see how this wheel is lined up perfectly there? Now on this side, because this is the side that got damaged, it's a little toed in. So I believe that the strut is probably bent. The A-arm didn't look bent. The steering tie rod in it may be bent as well. It didn't look like it. I think it's just a strut. So that'll be another time, because I had to go back to the junkyard. So several things I have to get from the junkyard is the dash. I want to get a new dashboard, a strut. I'm not going to buy any new ones right now. So I'm just going to get that one used one, and I think that is it. Now the radio that I did put in there from the junkyard is the wrong one. I need the actual, I think it's the Bose, because I put a standard one in there. So I just got to take that one back and put the right one in there. So let's just go ahead and wrap this up as soon as possible, because I know none of you guys want to see it, because you want to see my element stuff, which we gonna get back to that. But for right now, I just want to finish this off, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the car. I'm definitely not gonna keep it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna give it away or something. I don't know. But stay tuned, and I'll tell you guys what I do with it. All right. Thank you so much.